So this is a recap for live stream 164. As we can see, we've had a positive day. We've realized 132. It could have been a better day, of course. Unrealized, we're up at when I do it, from what I remember, up at 116, which could have qualified for a category 10 green day. It wasn't to be. Took a couple of extra trades, got back in the market, and the market has pulled back. Didn't quite get to the target. So when we first got to the market, due to scheduling and time management on my part, I couldn't have been here for the first trade in and around the open. There was a trade through here, would have hit target on both NQ and ES. So what I had to do was take the secondary entries. We took a secondary entry here on NQ. The target was all the way up at 77, so went long, had to suffer through pullbacks. Price got to the 70s, got into the 70s, didn't quite get to the 77s as price pulled back, exited. Decided to get back in and actually took a loss as prices have come to the downside. So our target would have been up at 77.25. Our stop would have been down at around the 380s. Of course, we can see here price hasn't come down to the 380s as yet, but that's where we exited after seeing price action not be favorable, seeing this series of consecutive bearish candles. Decided to get out here on ES. So we got the pullback entry short long. Price came down, exited for the same reason. I exited the NQ position as price came down. Realized a profit, but then decided to get back in. Got back in. What I was doing was going to risk. Well, the original stop's down at 46.75. Then after that, I decided to risk down to this low here, around 48.75. Use that as a guide to also get out of the NQ position that we were in over here. So as soon as the stop would have been hit on ES, would have exited the NQ position. But didn't like the price action, so exited there for 10. So we lost 3 on the first trade and lost just over 10. So across the two, we lost about 14. RTY, we went long. It was a very good trade. Picked up 22.5. Price came within about 5 or so ticks. I believe about 5 or so ticks of the target at 44.5. Try to get back in after seeing prices continue to head to the upside. So we'll definitely get towards that 44.5. Price didn't get there. Pulled back, exited for a loss. Then went long again. And more recently, exit for break even when we exited our most recent trades on the NQ and ES. So flattened all positions. That's RTY. YM, we only took the one trade, went long. Our target was hit. A very good trade. On gold, we took the trade again. So the trades on YM, gold, RTY, these were primary setups. And we can see we had a pretty good trade there on RTY minus the FROMO reentries. YM hit target, gold hit target. So if we would have been here for the start of the day, all 5 instruments would have hit target, but wasn't to be. We'll have a look here at the trade performance to see how the trades have been broken down. I suppose I should point out over here on the middle right of the screen, that's pretty much where we have the breakdown of the P&L related to the instrument. So we've lost 14,130 on ES, lost 7 on NQ, picked up 21,214 on gold, 14,473 on RTY, and 17,536, and hence the reason why we've got this P&L up here. We'll just get our trade performance. Let's see. So over on our trade performance here. So it's 11th, yep. So this is our trade performance. We grew the account, realized all the way up to 66,743. That was the height of the realized P&L. We've done realized we're up at 115. And of course, we've given back from that 66 all the way down to where we are at the moment at 32,069. So we gave back about 50% from the realized highs. Unrealized highs, of course, it was quite a bit more. So those were the, I should just scroll through the trades. So these were the trades. Started trading around 10:40 Eastern Standard Time, or 10:39 actually, and closed most recent trade here. Entered most recent trade here after 12. Sorry. We'll go over to our summary page. We can see total gross gains, losses, profit factor nearly 2. This wasn't too bad. We definitely gave back quite a bit off the top because we could have stopped trading after we exited early when our P&L was up at the 66. Wasn't to be. Accuracy, that's more realistic, around 46%. Average win is 17.61. Average loss is 8.73. Okay, I guess so. So that's positive. A positive profit ratio, largest win compared to largest loss. So these are better statistics here. Largest win being nearly 3 times as big as our largest loss. And that's pretty much it. So I think that covers everything. More recently, I've just had an alert to say that we would have got an exit signal over on the ES as price came through at 48.75, these lows here. So exiting early was definitely the right thing to do there. I not sure about if I would still continue to hold this NQ all the way down to 480s, but just happy to walk away with profit. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.